today we are going to be dividing some of these spider plants. So this spider plant you see here is like a big one, and this one's like a little one. So these ones, I don't know, a few like months or a few months ago, these ones that you see here were like as tiny as these ones, and they've gone into that one. So we're going to be taking these out and putting them into a bigger pot, and then we're going to put these little ones into them pots. So let's get started. So first guys, we're going to have to put soil in these 4 pots here, so I'm going to do this. Okay guys, so we've done the 4 pots here. So first I'm gonna knock them out. I'm not gonna grab them like by the roots like I did in my previous videos. I'm gonna like knock them out like that. There we go. That's done. That's done. So we're gonna put this in one. Okay, there we go. That is our. Yeah, there we go. That's our first one. Okay. Now here there are the roots, so it's been like growing like up like that against the pot, if you can see there. And then if you look underneath, that's what it looks underneath. So okay, guys, we're not going to be getting this one out first. We're going to be cutting these off. So I'm going to cut one off now, and then I'm going to show you where they're going to grow. I think it's so these, after I've cut them off, these will grow on their own. They won't have the mother to help them. So I've got to be careful. There isn't on this one. I think there's about 4. I think there's a little tiny one that I'll let that go. So it was like 3, there's 3, and there's like 1. So there's like 1 here that's going to grow, 1 there that's going to grow, and probably 1 here that's going to grow there. In these pots, yeah, I think so. I'm going to put that one in there, that one in there, that one in there, yes. So I think that's going to be good. So I'll be tap them out. This might go everywhere. I'm ready for the impact. So there's another pot inside one pot. Is that, yes. 1 pot inside another pot. So if you can see there, look how, I'll come a little bit closer. So if you can see like there, there's like look, there's like so many roots, and they're really big. So I'm going to try and get this out. I'm going to have to break these roots off, like I did in some of my videos. And then I think I did like 3 videos I broke the roots off, I think. So 3 or 2, I think. Gosh, kind of break this off. Come on. Yeah, there. Yeah, that should get off. Starting into, yeah, the sun's coming off. That's how better. Put it in the pot of the floor. I want to show you that. Look how many roots there are. Look, and all around it, there's like about like 20 million trillion like roots there. Standing there. Okay, you stand there. Okay. So we've divided these up and 4 of them. So I'm going to put this one in this pot here. So let's do that. On the pot. Now, so I think we're going to have to water them now, yes. I'm going to water them. I might water them somewhere else. So I'm going to see what I'm going to have to do with that. Then I'm going to come back to you. Okay, guys, now we're going to start watering them. I'm not going to be like watering them like that. Like that. I'm going to be watering like on the tray. I'm going to fill this tray up so it'll leak through. And the plant can have some water. There we go. Oh, a little butterfly there. So this is the end of the video. Just remember to smash the like button. Just remember to smash the like button and subscribe for more gardening videos.